Wet Show 2015, we are in the Nu Flow booth. I am here with Tom. Nu Flow are small diameter pipe experts. I know there's a few of these things going on, but I know Nu Flow is different. Why don't you tell me why?
Sure. I can pull my segment or my repair into place and start it and stop it accurately every time I do a repair.
Okay, you say start it and stop it accurately. How are you figuring that out, where to start and stop?
Well, so we have a couple different items that we use in our skill set to determine exactly where that is when we're doing our pre-camera or our camera video.
So basically you're doing a video, you're figuring out at 91 feet, I want to stop this pull, and you can do that, and that might just be right past the joint or right past the problem area, whatever it might be.
Exactly, exactly. And the nice thing about the way that we've been doing this and have been doing this for so long, we can strictly stop right at the beginning of where that Y begins.
Exactly.
So, no play in the middle because it's inverting and you got to worry about expansion or around multiple bends. I can start it right where I want to every time.
And I can do this in copper, I can do this in
galvanized, steel, cast iron, Orangeburg, plastic, you name it, we do it.
Anything.
Yep. On the other side of the system, the pressurized systems, we have what's known as epoxy barrier coating. So we're not just one company that has one skill set.
You're no one-trick pony.
That's right, baby. We can do everything in the building. All mechanical systems, HVAC, chiller lines, fire suppression, hot and cold water lines, recirc lines, the whole 9 yards. All the way down.
So what product was this inside the copper here?
So obviously there's layers of corrosion in there that are pitting and rusting out and wearing out the host pipe. So what we're going to do is we're going to sandblast off the inside corrosion in that pipe, and then we're going to coat it with an epoxy.
And then once you've got that epoxy in there, you're as good as new.
Yep, 70-year plus life expectancy.
That's what I was just going to ask you. What am I getting? I'm going to get more out of this than I ever did the copper in the first place.
Absolutely.
So we should just start putting this on the copper to begin with.
And actually, we do that now.
Boom. Great idea.
Great idea.
Hey, I tell you what, if you're looking to get into any type of relining, you need to visit Nu Flow, whether it's at the Wet Show or it's online. Nu Flow's got some really great stuff going on. You can become a licensee. Check out the products that Tom and the gang have to offer. Nu Flow Wet Show 2015.